TRECENA. Today is one KABAN, the day of the intelligence, the knowledge, and the wisdom. One is time to see that the millionaire, that the baker, and also the killer, we are all made by the same material. KABAN invite us to take out this intelligence and transform it in wisdom when we practice every day. It's time to stop saying what we want to do and we suppose to do. It's time to say what we walk. In this TRECENA, the woodpecker is knocking, saying that the earth is alive. When he knocks, let's open the door.
Que si esto es para ti, ¿por qué no le preguntas a tu corazón?